revised it daily, and this helped me to prepare for my test as well. I didn't prepare specifically targeting my weekly test, but I targeted my pre and medical entrance exams, and the material which was provided by my teachers, by the whole IQuest team, it has helped me a lot. In fact, it was more than sufficient for me as I felt, and the support which was given to me by my teachers, and it really burdens to me a lot. We were given a schedule which was made by our teachers, and I followed it really strictly, and I revised the whole syllabus again and again so that I could retain the whole knowledge which was necessary for me. So this was all helped me a lot, and of course you need to focus on your studies and with no distractions. The material and the textbooks which were provided to me by the IQuest team, I think that was more than sufficient to me. I didn't have to go through all the books of the various institutes which usually other students prefer doing. And although I had joined the test series of Akash Institute, but I felt it was not worth joining it. I didn't feel that there was any need to specifically prepare for the boards, but of course we were provided some material which was selected by our teachers, and that had helped me a lot. I think I owe everything to my parents. They tried their best to provide me every facility since I was away from home. They tried their best to give me everything to make me feel comfortable. And of course, I didn't feel that I was away from home. I always felt closer to them. Yes, my teachers, they had always been a great source of inspiration for me. And whenever I was down, they pushed me. And I think this is the greatest thing which I owe to them, and I'm really grateful. I just want to say to all of the students that just do what you have got, do the best of you, and work as much hard as you can. Then nothing can stop you, and God will give you what you deserve, and that will be the best thing for you.
I have always advised my children to lead a disciplined life. We have been supporting her morally, but the actual result has come with the hard work of IQuest and Adisha. We were looking for some coaching institute nearby. So when we inquired in Patiala, we just came to know the people in the IQuest, they are actually hardworking and actually pushing. That is the reason we joined IQuest. I am over satisfied with the services of the IQuest. They have helped us to achieve a goal which we could never imagine. My message to the parents is that they should also look for services of the IQuest people, make the children work hard and achieve